Hello from paradise. This is Karon Beach and it is day 8 of my Thailand vacation. However, I have been out of the country of Thailand in the past 3 days, as day 5, 6 and 7 of my vacation I spent it in Singapore and Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, that is, in Malaysia. And with that I visited 2 new countries apart from Thailand. So a total of 3 new countries on this Southeast Asian trip. But out of those 2 weeks that I'm here, 15 days exactly, 12 days in Thailand and then 3 days in both Singapore and Malaysia. And it was super amazing. I actually did beach adventures in Singapore on 3 different beaches. So those episodes will come or already came on my channel. In Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, there is no coast, so I didn't do any beach adventures, but I have climbed on the Kuala Lumpur Tower, which is the 7th highest telecommunication tower in the world, 421 meters height, and I went up on the Sky Park, which is on 300 meters above the ground, and I made really nice photos in the skybox. Also in Singapore, I went up in the Marina Bay Sky Park. It was amazing view from there. You can see the whole Singapore. Singapore is a tiny country of only 6 million. And well, tiny country, I mean tiny country by area, but by population 6 million, so highly densified country. But enough about Singapore and Kuala Lumpur. Now I'm back to Thailand and I am exploring again Karon Beach, where I'm staying actually at the nearby Hotel Karon Village, which is 1 kilometer away from the beach. And I could show you also the path from the hotel to the beach in one of my earlier episodes. And finally it looks like the sun is back for good, as it was a bit more cloudy during the first 4 days when I was here in Thailand. And tomorrow I'm also going to an island tour, and one of the most beautiful islands in Thailand, which is Phuket Island. Woo! Okay, anyway, now let's put my sunglasses in my backpack, as I have actually found some shadow here, as it is flaming hot to be on the sun all the day, and I will get also sunburned very easily because I come from Sweden, where the sun has an UV index of 0. Here it is basically 9. And here we have some nice palm trees to get away from the heat. And yes, 30 degrees Celsius in the air, and that's under shadow. Under sun is probably 40. And the temperature in the water 29.1 degrees. Satellite measurement. I actually have a thermometer with me, and I would actually like to measure, because I think it's warmer than that, to be fair, because it's so hot. Not sure how to explain this. I have been to hot countries before, but I think here it's also the humidity that takes part in the picture as well. The beach looks absolutely stunning, as you can see from my view. Look at the color of the water. It's so amazing and nice. And I am right now at the middle of the Karon Beach, where it is a bit less crowded than the 2 ends of the beach, where there are most of the hotels and stays. So I really chose this one because it's so nice and chill to be here. So yes, Greece is in Thailand. I just can't believe that I'm on the other side of the world from Europe. That means And I visited 3 countries also, new countries. Now I have visited a total of 61 countries in the world out of 195 that are recognized by the United Nations, which I'm counting. So let's then take a swim because the sun is up and I really need to get back to the shed, otherwise I will get burned and it will be hard to go to the island tour that I already booked for tomorrow. Let's take a swim. Wow, that was amazing. So nice, and I have learned how to look also under the water more frequently. To be fair, the water seems a bit similar to the Cyprus waters, the Mediterranean Sea, but this is the Indian Ocean actually. It gives similar vibes, but it's different ocean, of course, and different sea as well. This is the Andaman Sea right here. Beautiful. So, as I am a bit tired from the trip, so first actually let me tell you about the trip. I have taken the flight from Phuket to Singapore, and in Singapore I was a day and a half, and it was so nice and so beautiful. I really liked it. And after that, the next day I took the night flight to Kuala Lumpur from Singapore, and in Kuala Lumpur I was less than 24 hours, but I managed to explore the most interesting sites, including the Petronas Towers, the Kuala Lumpur Tower, the Independence Square, the Central Market, Chinatown, and all the beautiful buildings I have seen and taken pictures of. And then I went back to Phuket yesterday. So it's very convenient to fly with Air Asia, and it's so cheap also as well. And the accommodation in Malaysia was very cheap. In Singapore a bit more expensive, but I mean for one night it's not that much. Cool, let's dive in once again. This is the life. This is the life indeed. Oof. That's beautiful. So nice. Amazing. So this is the view of Karon Beach, viewed from the middle of the beach exactly. You can see the whole beach. And behind that hill over there you can find Patong Beach also. That's also known as a disco town. As I was passing by with the airport bus there, it was a very lively street, I would say, and it was so nice. Okay, one last swim for you, for my subscribers and members, before I swim a bit more on my own without the GoPro. Amazing. Thailand is amazing. Alright, cool. That is a wrap from Karon Beach once again on Phuket Island in Thailand. I hope you are enjoying the episodes from Thailand, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more beach adventures on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!